All right, guys, we got something custom in here. It's a 2000 K2500 4x4. He has custom 454 put in it. We took out the old motor, put a 454 custom wiring, custom everything. Then he brought it to us all the way from Little Rock, Arkansas. So they done all this work in Arkansas, short tube headers there and there. Then they did the true duals on it, as you guys can see, all the way back. And then what we did, we cut the stock muffler off and ran a Flowmaster Super 40 right there, or original 40. Sorry guys, part number 425404. There'll be a link in the description for it. Again, Flowmaster original 40, dual in, dual out, 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, as you guys can see, into 4-inch roll tips to complete the look there and right there. Came out nice, clean. So there it is. There's the stock muffler that was on it, the dual in, single out, and there's the tailpipe that was on it. We took it all off and replaced it. Now it looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here we go. That sounds good. 454 motor. Big block. Your sound decibels? 112. That sounds phenomenal. He's still working on it, guys, so he's customizing it, and then he's going to paint it and fix it up. So had a couple of exhaust leaks, guys. We fixed it up for him. Now we'll let you guys hear the second part of it outside. It had really bad leaks before. You see, it's a lot cleaner now. No more leaks. It's a lot cleaner. Because before it was like, I hated it. Headers, downpipes, Flowmaster, all the way back. It is a massive truck, guys, as you guys can see. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy 2500 K25 4-door, 454 Flowmaster, 40 true duals, shorty headers, just a massive truck. Looks really nice too. He's getting it all fixed up. Hope he has a safe trip back to Arkansas. We appreciate him coming down. Sounds like a beast. Enjoy, guys. Beast mode.